at this point right now, we're going to get right into module 1. Module 1 is all about understanding what digital products are in the simplest words possible, right? And what the different types are, so that you can be in the position where you get to choose what type you want to create, right? I myself too, I'm going to choose one in this video. We're going to create it together because I want you to see over the shoulder what it looks like when you're actually doing this stuff yourself right here. So digital products in the simplest words possible can simply be defined as any product at all that actually helps a human being get from point A to point B, and the product is not physical. So any non-physical product that can help a human being get from point A to point B is a digital product, right? As long as you get to sell it to somebody, it becomes a product, right? So this could be an ebook that is going to help someone who is trying to get some tips on how to best move to actually get from fat to slim and actually lose weight. So this could be an online course like the one you're watching right now on how to help you create your own digital product and get from point A to point B, which is the point where you start making money, right? So this could be an online app or mobile app that is meant to help girls who are on their menstruation learn exactly how they can actually track whatever is happening in their body, and that is their own point A to point B. So digital products in the simplest words possible are simply non-physical products that actually solve problems for people that people are going to be willing to pay for, right? So be it $1, $10, $100, $500, $1,000, any price at all, as long as it's been paid for and it helps someone solve a problem, it's a digital product, right? That is what it is in the simplest words possible. And I like to use simple words when explaining because I want everyone, even a little kid, my little nephew, understands when they actually watch this video, right? So if you still have any questions, like I said, you can always ask me questions. Don't get overwhelmed. You can always send me emails if you're watching this on one of my landing pages on the internet, because I'm going to have a lot of landing pages on the internet very soon. So at this point right now that I'm sure that you guys know what a digital product is, we're going to go ahead and talk about the various types right here. So for the types, there are ebooks. Now, ebooks are simply books, but E. Now, what E means is electronic, so electronic books. Now, these are literally PDFs. This could be PDFs that people could read. Maybe someone who's trying to make his or her baby go to sleep, or the baby is crying too much and she doesn't know how to stop the baby from crying because it's her first baby on planet Earth. She just had a baby. She's trying to make the baby sleep. Baby is crying all day. You can sell her an ebook that is going to give her tips that's going to make her baby sleep fast and for long, right? So that is an example of an ebook. So after ebooks, we have audiobooks. So audiobooks are the same thing as ebooks, and you can just turn your ebook into an audiobook by simply paying someone to record a voiceover. Or if you have a mic like me, you could literally take your mic and record your ebook as an audio and sell it to people if you do not want to pay anybody. Because like I said, some of you guys might have zero money. Some of you guys might have a lot of money. So it depends on you, who you are. Depends on the kind of money you have. That's going to determine the pace and techniques you're going to use to actually do these things. But I'm sure that this thing is going to work for everybody, both the poor guys, the median guys, and the rich guys, right? This is for everybody. So apart from ebooks and audiobooks, we also have online courses. So an online course is, for example, what you're watching right now. A lot of people create online courses on Udemy, and their online courses actually make a lot of money, right? These courses go on to make a lot of money because you can see someone selling a course for $10 and that person sells that course 3,000 times, right? 10 times 3,000, that's an easy $30,000 made from one online course. You just sitting down and recording a video on the things that you know, right? So that is literally something right there. And now that I've talked about that, the next type of digital products on our list are software applications. So this could come in form of mobile apps, desktop apps, which is laptop apps, or web applications, which are applications that basically function on the internet. So that is a form of digital products. So this could be an app that helps people sleep better. This could be an app that helps people organize their lives. This could be an app that helps pregnant ladies track whatever. I don't know what pregnant ladies track, but I know that there's some things they want to track. This could be an app that helps little babies sleep. This could be a white noise app. This could be a radio app. So different things that you can actually sell to people. And apart from apps, the next type of digital products you can actually create is digital art. So digital art could be maybe stickers. I have a PS5 console right here, and you could literally buy stickers and put on the PS5 right here. A lot of people do that. I don't do that, but a lot of people do that. And you would literally put stickers on your phone as well. So on the back of your phone, the pouch. Some people put stickers on their laptops, the back of their laptops. I don't do all those things, but apparently a lot of people do, and we are literally 7 going to 8 billion in this planet right now, and a lot of people need these things. So selling these things is going to make you a lot of money if you position yourself the right way. Yes, another type of digital product you could sell is fonts. So fonts, fonts that fonts that people literally use to type on the internet, fonts like the style of the text on a particular app or whatever. Just fonts. People sell fonts, people buy fonts, because some Photoshop designers, graphic designers might want to do a design and they don't know how to make their fonts, and they're looking for a font on the internet, and they literally find a font and they buy. That font was most likely listed by someone like you and me, and the person is going to get paid for that, right? And all the things that I'm mentioning now, like mobile apps, fonts, and all that are hard to create. Don't worry, as long as you're following me on the internet, you're going to get notified when I drop a video on those ones. Not a video, literally a course, a video course on how to do those things. So you can just get the ideas from here. And when I drop those ones, you're still going to go ahead and learn, and you're going to be getting your life ahead right there. So now that I've talked about these things, the next thing that we're going to talk about here as